The Taliban the other day faced heavy casualties when air forces targeted their gatherings and hideouts in the city of Shabargan, killing 200 members of the terrorist outfit. ANI reports quoting an Afghan Defense Ministry official as saying, more than 200 terrorist Taliban were killed in Shabargan city after air forces targeted their gatherings and hideouts Saturday evening. A large number of their weapons and ammunition and more than hundreds of their vehicles were destroyed as a result of the airstrikes, tweeted Fawad Aman, an Afghan Defense Ministry official. The Taliban gathering was targeted by a B-52 bomber in Shabargan city of Jawzjan province on Saturday at 6:30 p.m. The terrorists have suffered heavy casualties as a result of US Air Force's airstrikes, tweeted the Afghan Defense Ministry official. Earlier, a Pakistani terrorist was arrested by Afghan commando forces in the outskirts of Ghazni provincial center. He was involved in terrorist activities and the killing of civilians. The capital of Jawzjan province in northern Afghanistan fell to the Taliban after week-long violent clashes with the government forces, Tolo News reported on Saturday. The Afghan news agency reported that the strategic city of Shabargan is the second provincial capital to fall to the Taliban in the last 2 days. Local lawmakers blamed the Afghan government for the security situation in Jawzjan and said it has remained indifferent to this matter. This comes as 150 members of the public uprising forces have newly arrived in Shabargan to help other forces on the ground, media reports said on Friday. On Friday, the Taliban captured the capital of Nimroz province in southwestern Afghanistan. Saranj fell to the Taliban with no resistance by government forces, Tolo reported. At the United Nations Security Council meeting on Afghanistan on Friday, member states expressed concern about the deteriorating situation and called for a political settlement. Meanwhile, the support for the Afghan government and its forces are growing among the citizens. Religious scholars in Nangarhar province donated blood to the wounded among the Afghan National Defense and Security Forces, and they expressed their support for NDSF and pledged that they support the Afghan forces forever. The US has also pledged for the airstrikes to counter the Taliban after they withdrew its forces from Afghanistan. News Desk, Kaumudi, English.